hacker detected. We have found a hacker. Escape from him or else you will be killed. For those who don't know what's a hacker means a player with admin commands, which can fly and speed hack. If the hacker is near you, don't make a noise like your footsteps. Hide quick. Go build a bunker or an island. If you cannot escape, you are done. But if you see the last helicopter leaving, go fast as possible. And thank you. And may Gemzy and the good players be with you.